Hello guys, welcome to agriculture tutorials. Today I am discussing about growth and development of cotton plant. The cotton plant has most complex structure of all major field crops because it has two two types of branches, monopodial and sympodial branches. Monopodial is mostly vegetative branches. Sympodial is the reproductive branches where flowers and boll formation takes place. Cotton is an indeterminate growth habit and it is extremely sensitive to adverse environment conditions. It is a unique condition where the crop grows. The waterlogging condition extremely affected by cotton because if water logs in cotton field, the cotton plant does not grow well because it requires semi-arid type of climate, not huge humid conditions. The growth of cotton is very predictable under favorable moisture and temperature conditions. The growth follows well-defined and consistent pattern expressed in days. Always growth in any crop expressed in days. Maximum cotton crop growth takes place like short, medium, and large durations. Majorly 180 days is minimum. More than 180 days always the cotton plant growth in hybrids as well as varieties. Another useful and more precise way to assess crop development is by using daily temperature during the crop growing season to monitor the progress. Just see in table 1 in this picture the average number of days and heat units required for various growth stages of cotton. First of all, heat units means the growing degree days. In our agriculture concept, the developmental threshold above the crop grows means the temperature which the crop needs is called threshold limit. Above the threshold limit, the crop damages. Below the threshold limit, also crop damages. In layman language, I am explaining because the video goes viral throughout the globally. So I am explaining without knowing the agriculture concepts also. So below the temperature where little and no development occurs. Above the temperature, the cotton above the temperature also more or little development occurs. For cotton, the threshold temperature is 60 degree Fahrenheit is required. The degree days are required as 60 days minimum growing degrees for cotton growth and development crop. 60 degree Fahrenheit required during the crop growth stages like planting to emergence to planting to harvest. In table number 1, in 6 stages, one of the cotton crop divided from 4 days to 160 till an average cotton crop growth and development of any variety or uh, hybrid. For example, planting to emergence 4 to 9 days required. The minimum heat units is 50 to 60 Fahrenheit. The heat unit is the basic formula calculating for the growth and development. The heat units involves average and minimum temperatures for each day and subtracting the threshold temperature. In this threshold temperature is 60 degrees. In morning and evening sessions, the temperatures are exhibited that will be subtracted from the threshold temperature. For example, 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Morning 18 or 25 degrees minus evening temperature divided by 60. Then the heat units we can observe. from that formula. Okay, the calculation of the accumulated heat units and knowledge from gaining the heat unit requirement formula, we can particularly growth stages we can explain and the predicted the occurrence of events in any crop and especially and specifically I am dealing in this cotton duration of stages in crop development. Kirby et al. In 1987, he obtained this heat units and tabulated this heat units mm, in and modified by Austrinus in 1990. Kirby et al. 1987, Landwehr and Bendick in 1996 and modified at Ostris. They were the scientists. They gone through the cotton heat units. Mm. And the planting to emergence 9 days requires 60. Emergence to first square 27 to 38 days minimum. For 425 to 475 heat units required. Square to flower 20 to 25, 300 to 350. Planting to first flower 60 to 70 days. 775 to 850. First flower to open boll 45 days to 65 days. 850 to 950. Planting to harvest ready 130 to 160. 2200 to 2600. Heat units required. Not required means in this according to their this scientists, they were found out based on this growth stages days heat units of this temperatures tabulated in this table. Compulsory not required, like I am saying required means required not required, it's not contradictory words to explain. Just they observed these heat units and days in following growth stages of growth in cotton is five main growth stages in their development. In there means in the cotton in my ancient, there means the cotton crop has five main growth stages: germination and emergence, seedling establishment, leaf area and canopy development, flowering and boll development, and maturation. The transition between these stages are not always sharp and clear. Each stages may different through different physiological process operating within specific requirements. Then many problems in crop management can be avoided, which result in higher yields and profits. These are the seasonal development of cotton. Through you graph you can observe. I am zooming in days after planting. Emergence to open bolls. Through flowering and development stage 60 to 85 days, the growth stage is higher. Number per acre in y-axis, x-axis days after planting. You can observe and you can learn through this graph. Is self-explanatory. The video is going more than 8 minutes, so somebody bore, somebody doesn't listen the agriculture videos. My agriculture videos are subscribed, but still now not monetized my channel from 2014 onwards. So I am eagerly waiting more videos to coming session, coming days, because I need much anger to get money quicker, because all are enthusiastically waiting for my monetization enable. My subscribers, please doesn't unsubscribe my channel, because I'm giving the content. Earlier 100 videos I produced nice content. During my PhD sessions I am unable to do great work, because during my subject progression. I am unable to done better videos and better thumbnails, so my videos are not viral. So still I'm self belief, my audience and my subscribers engage my videos, and those who are agriculture graduates and masters and PhD scholars help me by watching at least 10 minutes one video each day, from now onwards to 365 days. Then our videos are definitely monetization will be enabled. Jai Hind. Please um, allow me to monetize my videos through great efforts of your watching patience towards my videos. Thanking you, friends. Have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Telangana. Because mm, my state is Telangana, so I am told Jai Telangana. Don't worry about all Indians are my brothers and sisters. Jai Hind. Don't bother about other states because I love my state and I love my country also. Jai Hind, Jai Telangana.